Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sprout Social, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Sprout Social, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Sprout Social website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will see options for different pricing plans. Select the plan that best fits your needs. If you're a new user, fill out the registration form with your details. Provide your email address, name, and company information. Create a secure password for your account. After filling out the form, click on the Start Free Trial or Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Sprout Social. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirmation, return to the Sprout Social website. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you may need to complete your profile setup. Add your social media accounts by following the on-screen instructions. Choose the social media platforms you want to connect. Authorize Sprout Social to access your accounts. After connecting, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. You are now ready to start using Sprout Social for your social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.